is the thread that the bus driver, wants to buy my life because of thread. The driver that I said was saying where I stood before the bus stop. Ọlọ́mọ ayé sí Nàìjíríà Lagos bus driver. Ọlọ́mọ ayé kọ́ pààyàn. So this is the trade that I bought yesterday, and we bill it to Lagos bus driver. And the man was saying, you did not see me at the bus stop. He no share. Eh? Maybe he forgot, or maybe he forgot that he wanted to drop something for me at that bus stop. He now moved forward. He was now shouting at me on the phone that, no, you are not at the bus stop. That place is not the bus stop. Well, I don't have time to argue. I don't have straight to argue, to be provoked. I just said, okay. I went to where he parked and I collected my thread. Even this conductor was begging me not to get me. I'm not angry. My thread is the cocoa, is the important thing. So these are the thread that I bought. So these are monogram thread that I use. So I bought more of white because as you see me see this studio, there is no white. There is no white thread again. I've exhausted all the white thread I have. So these are the threads I just got. You can see it's more of white. So this is the just how it is. I bought the thread yesterday. It was an emergency purchase. This is an emergency purchase. Because although I used to write down all the thread that has finished in the studio, but there's one particular design I'm doing right now. The design is on this machine, and the thread finished before the design could be the thread could not finish the design. The agbada is still undone, and there's no thread to continue the design. So I quickly have to message my vendor, and she will bill it to me from Island to Onifan. So here is the particular. So this is the man, the Oga, that made emergency purchase yesterday. This is the trade that made me to do the emergency purchase. Yes. So these are the trade I quickly bought yesterday. So instead of just saying I want to get this one only, I decided to buy all other thread that has finished because I used to write them down. So that one made it easier. So you can see. So now I can now continue the design I'm doing, the other design. Lagos conductor, Lagos driver, they can provoke. If you don't want to get angry, they know how to make you get angry. So I will set this on the machine and continue the design. Let me show you the design so you see. This is the design. This is the agbada, and you can see clearly. So this is the remaining part, and the same color is still going to do the borderline. So I checked yesterday to see if I can get any color that will be similar to it, to the shade, but I cannot get. It will look odd if I use any other color. So that's why I have to order for the thread. That's one of the advantage of having your vendor's number, and it's not those vendor that you have their number, it will not be useful because they will not answer message, they will not pick calls. But these ones, they answer messages, they pick calls, they attend to my order. It was speed, as in that at the speed of light, my goods was taken to the bus driver and I got it on time, apart from the drama that happened, but that's not an issue. So I'll set the agbada and start to work. Let me change the thread. I think I bought two of these threads. I bought two. Let me try to join your contract. So so I thought yesterday I thought this one will match it, but it did not match. This is darker than this one, so this is the color I was using. So I'm done with uh I'm done putting the color. The next thing now is to bring it out from the machine. If not for the thread that fuck up, I would have done with this design by yesterday. I'm done passing the thread. So the next thing now is to um I need to reverse the design. Thank you for watching.